Hey, it's Jen from Rustic Rehabs. I like to thrift and paint furniture and decor, and I like to take you along and show you what I picked and what I'm going to do with it. This week we're back in Menomonee Falls at the Goodwill, which is one of my favorite places to pick. It's close to my shop and I always do well here. Last week I had an epic thrift haul, and this week was almost the opposite, so come along and see what we can find today. I'm looking for everyday items for decor for my shop and things that I can paint and improve. We're also starting to look for spring. I love taking old artwork and using decoupage to turn it into new artwork. So sometimes I'm simply looking at the frame, but today there was nothing that caught my eye. I sell a lot of lamps after I take them home, clean them up, add new harps, add new toppers and lampshades, but today there was nothing I couldn't live without. Honestly, you guys tell me all the time how great this Goodwill is and how bad yours is, and today I felt like it was in one of yours. It just looked really tired and picked over, and that's probably because of the holidays. And I think that's typical when there's more buying than there is dropping off. This would be a good item to take and decoupage, but I have several things like this already I need to use up. In fact, with the new year, I've got rooms to clean out and clutter to bust, so make sure you stick around to see where we go with all that. This I thought was kind of cute too. You could do something else with it, but again, I have a few, so I decided to pass. This is a cute tray, just don't need it. I flip a lot of jewelry boxes. In fact, I've got an entire dresser full of jewelry boxes for sale that are all colorful and fun, but this one had no price tag, so we let it stay. To buy the paint, the products, and the decor that I have, you can visit rusticrehabs.com. I did grab this one for $5. I don't even know if this one needs anything done with it. I think it'd be really cute for a little girl, but I may end up painting it. So we took this one back to the shop. This is a stand or a riser that used to have some sort of, looks like a jungle theme on it, and somebody painted it. And I just decided I'm going to use that for a riser for my ring light at the shop. So a very practical $5 spent for that because it just boosts it up and gives me a little bit more space. Look at this doll, so funny. Spring is coming in a few months, so I'm grabbing all the bunnies that are a good deal, and we'll put this guy away for a few weeks maybe. I don't even know when I start pulling this stuff out. You'll find out. Who's all my clown lovers here? Look at this. This is definitely vintage, and it's cute in its own way, but I figure it will creep a bunch of you out. It's a good time to remind you we've got 40% off of our remaining Christmas. You guys did a good job of cleaning us out, but there's still some really good deals to be had. So I'll drop a link in here, and here's a picture of Santa telling you to get on the website and look around. She's pink tang. Maybe I should have grabbed her. She was pretty cute. But I'm not always into angels. So, and I have a few for sale still. Some are on clearance. So I left her this time. These guys, I'm just curious what they're priced. Not my jam at all. This bear is a cookie jar, and he's definitely vintage and definitely cute. So we cleaned up a few chips on him and cleaned him up good, and he's available. And look at this little pink, what's it called? A piggy bank. So cute. Which makes me think, are pink elephants what they used to see when they were drunk on cartoons? I feel like that was a thing I haven't thought about in ages. This is pottery made in Portugal, very well made, really pretty, and half off. So this screams spring to me, and we have it styled up at the shop. This little guy is hand-blown glass for my research. He is adorable. He's just very contemporary and clean looking, not too cutesy. He's not on clearance though, because he's brand new to me, and he's still a good deal if you want to look him up. This thing's very cool. I think it might be from Wayfair, but I'm not sure. It lights up and it just looks really good for this time of year. Lots of vases and lots of color, just nothing that I had to have in this section today. We took down one Christmas tree yesterday at the shop and started packing things away, so I'm feeling a little bit of overwhelm, and that's probably why I also didn't buy as much. But the shop's gonna look really empty in the next week or so, so I have got to get a move on. This did not have batteries, so I don't know if it worked. Otherwise, it's obnoxious enough. I probably would have bought it because Buddy the Elf is one of our mascots. Here's our friend Cade posing with our cardboard buddy a couple of weeks ago. This was my last aisle and I ended up spending $30, you guys. So we come to an abrupt ending, but I'm going to show you some of the furniture we finished this week. And we've got clearance transfers, and Painterly is 50% off. So there's some good things to check out on the website. I'm going to take off a couple of days and we'll see you back in the shop on the 2nd. Happy New Year, everybody.